Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok too many attempts. So, if you are in a situation where you cannot log into your TikTok account because TikTok says there's too many attempts, here is what you can actually do. So, go to your phone settings, go to your apps, and go ahead and search for TikTok. Scroll down to storage, and here you can actually click on clear cache and clear data. So doing this is going to reset your TikTok app. For iPhone users, what you can actually do is you can remove your TikTok app from your iPhone and reinstall them from the App Store. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I am going to see you in the next one.